All right, look, when these gloves come on, no games are being played. This is serious business. Okay, so look, a lot of barbers are good at cutting hair, right? But most of us struggle with the business side of our business, because to be a successful barber, it's a lot more than just being able to give a good haircut. You have to be a good businessman. And then when it comes to the business side of things, I like to automate as much things as possible. So in this video right here, I'm gonna break down how I automate my business. I'm talking client acquisition and booking. I'm talking payments, money management, bookkeeping, and taxes. So if you struggle in any of these areas, or if this is something that interests you, then stay tuned, man, because I'm about to dive in. Let's get it. Okay, first things first, client acquisition. So how I automate this process is simple. I use a booking app. Now there's many booking apps out here, right? Like, I don't even want to name them all, but there's a lot of booking apps. But the one I personally use and have been using since I've started cutting hair is StyleSeat. Now, I'm not sure if that's the best one or not, because like I said, I've only ever used one, but to me and for me, it works perfectly. So look, StyleSeat is a search engine. People go on there and they look for service providers. In my example, I'm a barber. So people go on there and look for barbers, and who do they find? Ding, 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 me. So when it comes to client acquisition, StyleSeat promotes my profile for me. And if you're in the LA area and you search barber, I'm like one of the top, I think I'm one of like the top, if I'm not the top person that comes up, I'm in the top 3, right?
What?
With StyleSeat being a search engine and so many people searching for barber in the Los Angeles area, that's free promo for me. So I get a lot of clients literally just by using StyleSeat and having my profile on StyleSeat. Another thing that's dope with having a booking app or using StyleSeat is that clients can book with me directly. I don't have to answer phone calls and text people back all the time. And I don't have to do none of that, right? People can just either click the link that's in my social media bios, or they can just have the app themselves. They can just search me directly on StyleSeat. So gone are the days of you writing down your appointments in a notebook. And if you're still doing that, then like, I don't know what you're doing. StyleSeat also allows me to take payments on StyleSeat. So I don't have to take a bunch of cash and Cash App and Zelle and Venmo.
A few moments later.
Google Pay, Apple Pay.
2,000 years later.
Food stamps. Although I still do take those payment methods, but it simplifies the process because most of my clients just check out via StyleSeat, so I don't have to have my money everywhere and all type of different places, and I'm just like looking for it. But it just makes things so much easier. You feel what I'm saying? But listen, if you're nervous about taking card payments and Cash App and Zelle because you're afraid of Mr. Uncle Sam, then don't worry, bro. I got you covered. Okay, next part, money management. I'm gonna break down how I automate this process to make my life easier. So the way I automate my money management is I use a platform called Relay Financial. So all Relay Financial is a banking software and provider that pretty much implements the profit first strategy. Let me break it down for you and tell you how it works. So pretty much Relay Financial allows you to open multiple bank accounts. Like I think I have like 6, right? And it allows you to set rules and automation so that your money goes to where you want it to go. All of your money is gonna flow into one account first, your income account, and then it's gonna distribute from there based off the rules and automations that you set. But let me walk you through my personal setup so I can show you how I use it. So first thing is the income account. I have one account that has one job. And that's literally, well, I guess 2 jobs, but its only job is to take in income and then distribute the money from there. So this one account, it just, everything I make from StyleSeat, from cash to Cash App to Venmo, everything goes into this one account. And then from there, based on the rules I've set, it distributes into sub accounts. So for me, I have 40% of my money going into my OPEX account. And all OPEX means just operational expenses, AKA business expenses. 30% goes into a payroll account. And the reason I have a payroll account is because I'm a W-2 employee of my own company, so I run payroll for myself. 10% goes into taxes, because you gotta save for taxes. And one of my biggest pain points in my entire barber career is I never saved for taxes. So every time tax time will come, bro, I get hit with a huge bill and I just be stressed, you see what I'm saying? But Uncle Sam ain't about to stress me out no more, man, because I got it down to a science. Okay, and the other 10% goes into owner's pay, which is, I pay myself from there. And the last 10% goes into retirement savings. So the money builds up in that retirement savings account, and then once a year I take that money and I make a contribution to my retirement account. But listen, you don't have to set it up like how I set it up. You can have different accounts for different purposes based on your own goals and however your situation is set up. You can have different bank accounts, you can have different percentages, and you can change the percentages at any time, bro. I'm telling you, this tool is crazy and it's powerful. It's relieved so much stress from my life, just knowing that I don't have to think about my finances and wondering if I'm doing the right thing because it's all done for me on autopilot. So yeah, man, don't sleep on this tool, man. I'm telling you, this is a game changer. Okay, now let's talk about bookkeeping. I automate this process by using a simple tool called QuickBooks. If you haven't heard of QuickBooks, then do you live in a rock, bro? But QuickBooks pulls all the transactions from all the bank accounts that I have integrated within QuickBooks. So I don't have to go looking for my transaction because it's all there under one platform. Come tax time, I don't have to go digging for receipts and digging for statements because it's just all there. So this keeps everything clean and just gets it ready for tax time. So everything's all in one place. Now, to take it a step further, I also have a bookkeeper. I pay my bookkeeper a couple $100s a month, and they go into QuickBooks and automatically categorize all of my transactions. So I don't have to do anything. And they also handle my tax filing for me. So I pay them a little extra money every month. So every year they go and file my taxes for me. And honestly, I might answer a couple questions and clarify some things, but for the most part, bro, I'm completely hands off. A good bookkeeper will save you time, stress, and probably a lot of money if they really know what they're doing. So yeah, man, to wrap it up, man, that's how I automate my barber business. Clients, money, and taxes, all on autopilot. So now that I don't have to worry about any of these things, bro, these tools really give me the ability to just focus on what I do. And that's cutting hair, building my brand, and scaling. These are things that I touch on in my new ebook, The 6-Figure Barber Playbook. So if you want a guide on how to run your business and become a 6-figure barber, check out my ebook at thefademaster.com. And obviously I'm gonna leave a link in the bio. So yeah, if you really got value from this video, which I really hope you did, man, because like a lot of these tools really helped me, especially when it came to the money management. It really helped me with peace of mind and clarity in my business. So if you found value in this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. It's the Fade Master. Peace.